this is Dr. Vita. Today we are in the kitchen. Thank you for watching this video. I want you to subscribe to my channel, Dr. Vita Natural Health, for health and wellness tips. Today we're going to be talking about how to make herbs. In here I have some comfrey leaf, and I'm going to show you exactly how I infuse the herbs. This is by far the best method of consuming herbs. So what I want you to do is whenever you have any leaf of an herb, I want you to take the dried form. It depends on why you're consuming that particular herb. So sometimes you may need to consume the blossom. Sometimes you may need to consume the leaf. In this case, I have comfrey leaf. Comfrey is absolutely amazing. It's great for your joints. It's great for whenever you're you have a sore, a cut. It's absolutely incredible for regeneration. And so you're gonna take whatever leaf or blossom that you have and you're gonna weigh 1 ounce of it. Okay, so it's important for you to have a kitchen scale. You're gonna take a plate and then you're gonna weigh 1 ounce. So the actual amount that you're filling up your quart jar, it's gonna depend on the particular herb that you're using. So if I'm using red clover blossom, which I'm gonna do another video, it's gonna fill up to here because it takes more clover blossom to get to 1 ounce. For this particular comfrey leaf, I don't need as much, but this is about 1 ounce of comfrey leaf. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take the ounce, you're gonna put it into a quart jar, and then you're gonna boil some piping hot water. And then you are going to pour that piping hot water all the way up to the top. All right. And then after that, you are going to cap it. And then this is the key to consuming herbs. So many people just use tea bags and they just steep a tea for 3 to 5 minutes. No, we want the medicinal effects from that concoction, okay? I want every little bit of this leaf. I want all of the nutrients that this comfrey has. I want it to really, really heal me. Now we're talking about medicinal herbs, right? So after you put it in here, you will let it steep for 4 to 6, even up to 8, even up to 12 hours, right? So this is perfect to do before you go to sleep at night. Just boil your water. That takes 2 to 3 minutes if you have an electric kettle, or you can heat it up in a pot on the stove. You're just gonna put it into here overnight, and then when you wake up in the morning, you just strain it. So this could be 8 to 12 hours. I would say at least a minimum of 4 hours. But to really get that medicinal effect, I like 8. That's my prime amount. Okay, so after this, you're just going to strain this. I'm gonna do another video to show you exactly how to drink this tea. I'm gonna show you recipes that you can make with it. I'm gonna show you exactly what you can do. But ladies and gentlemen, this is the proper way of using herbs. The teas don't have the medicinal effect that infusions do. So this is an herb that I'm infusing, and I am going to get the medicinal properties out of it. To learn more about this, you can read my book, Women's Health Guide. You can find this on Amazon, you can find this on Kindle, you can find this on audible.com, you can get the audiobook. There's an entire section devoted to this and their instructions on how to infuse herbs. And then I've also included some herbs that you can infuse and their properties. Thank you for watching. I want you to subscribe to this channel. Number one, you need to learn how you will properly consume this. So there's a video coming later on that, but I've got so many different health and wellness tips. I'm gonna teach you about which herbs to take, and you are just gonna live a healthy life. In the meantime, I'll drop the link below to where you can get my book, Women's Health Guide, on Amazon. To everlasting health. Bye-bye.